determination in our eyes, we'll rise above it all. Stand tall with the challenge we face. We stand proud and chase.